Petfon, the GPS pet tracker with the newest wireless technology. It provides location and movements information and tracks down dog activity for an accurate fitness diary. Petfon also boasts 3 programmable virtual zones. You can set up a virtual fence that sends alerts anytime your pet goes outside of that zone, or set up a danger area to alert you when your animal enters the boundary area. Petfon doesn't require a cellular network, which means no monthly subscription required. This is a great option for those who travel with their pets, since it works in all countries with a GPS signal. It has a range of 0.65 miles in urban areas and up to 3.5 miles in an open environment. The Petfon uses the exclusive low-POWAN wireless system designated to work anywhere. It has 2 modules. The control terminal is carried by the owner, and the tracker is worn by the pet. It's lightweight and waterproof, and includes a remotely activated light and sound system, which helps to find your curious friend in a natural environment. Petfon comes with a travel charging box that lasts up to 2 weeks for a hiking or camping trip. If you wish to give your dogs the freedom that they deserve and prevent them from getting lost,